Dapat ito sa tuwid sa iyong pagkakay. Offered by Ricardo Abunto Group and Family. Kami sa pasalamat sa mga kabernes sa Fatima, Santo Niño, Senior Secretary sa Magasya Manawat at sa Mayang Pilolas. Kami sa pasalamat sa Kalino sa Pamilya sa Tugong Kaibukan. Kami sa kasagalan ni Francisco sa Kanangkalan sa Purgatorio o sa mga walang nangyong offered by Enrique and Family. Thanksgiving us to the Lord for all the blessings, like graces, prayers, and progress received, and multiplication for peace, love, harmony for all, guidance and protection of Church for Erma, Jingle Karaan, and all seafarers.
Klaro kay Kater.
Offered by Mr. and Mrs. Cherry Erma. Thanksgiving Mass for the birthday of Roichi Durama and for all the graces received and good health. Offered by Roichi Derali. Kami sa pasalamat kay Senior Santo Niño sa mga grasya na nanawa. Kami sa alam ni Benjamin. Offered by Michaela Alvarez. Kami sa pasalamat sa ika-9th birthday ni Ian Errol Villamor, offered by Mr. Ernie and Mrs. Marilyn Villamor and family. Kami sa kala, ibinutri ko sa iyang first death anniversary, offered by Dayday and Mendoza family. Kami sa pasalamat sa Ginoo sa mayong mga lawas o grasya na nadawat makagadaw. Pasalamat usap ang Senior Santo Niño sa Vicente Ferrer, Sagrada Familia, pinahan sa kami ng panabang, sa amahan, sa anak sa Espiritu Santo, sa mga santos o santas, pamisa sa mga kalag nila ni Roberta, Murata, Ramon, Crescencio, Medianes, Silverio, sa mga kalag sa Purgatorio, offered by Juana Papiao, Talisik and family. Pamisa lang sa kalag nila ni Noel, Floricel, Jesus, Serviliana, Rowena, offered by Irish and McCarthy family. Thanksgiving Mass for passing a licensure professional teacher board examination. Mass for the soul of Belinda and also in purgatory, offered by Talisik family. Thanksgiving Mass for the gift of life, all the blessings received, wisdom, guidance, and safety of the family. Mass petition for the abandoned children, orphans, and families in the streets to have a good food to eat and a shelter to stay this holiday season. Mass petition for the continuous blessings and guidance to the family. Mass for the souls of Prince Ethan and Mary, offered by Kizia Marike. That one's the land.